Good morning everybody. In this video lecture we will discuss about interchange of affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative sentences. Students, in previous classes you learned about this topic, but now we will learn this topic some little different from that. In previous classes, we only make the sentence negative or affirmative, and at that time, the meaning of sentence changed. But now we change the sentence such a way that sentence will be affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative, but the meaning remains same. So be ready with me, listen me carefully and pay attention here. So now we will start the lecture. Interchange of affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. First of all, we will see one example. So we start our chapter, our unit, interchange of affirmative and negative. So here you can see one example. Ram is a good boy. Students, in previous classes we make only negative sentence such Ram is not a good boy. That is a negative sentence of Ram is a good boy. But in that sentence, you know that the meaning is changed. But now in upper classes, in class 9 and 10 and 8, we make a negative sentence such a way that the meaning also remains unchanged. So for it, what we will do? First, common rules for it. If sentence is affirmative, then we will make it negative, and if sentence is negative, then we will make it affirmative. It is common. But second is most important rules. We write a opposite word in the sentence of the main word in the sentence. We write a opposite word of the main word of the sentence. For example, here you can see Ram is a good boy. Now in this sentence, the meaning of the sentence, the main word of the sentence is good. And if you make a negative, then you change this word good. If you write Ram is not a good boy, then sentence will be negative, no doubt. But meanings also change. But here in class 8, 9 or 10, whenever we are learning for class 8, 9 or 10, we have to remember these things that the meaning also remains same. Only we have to make affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative, but the meaning of the sentence should be same. So here we will write Ram is. Now for negative, to make a negative, we will put negative words not. Now we will write opposite word of good. Opposite word of good. Good opposite word is bad. Ram is not a bad boy. It means Ram is a good boy. So here you can see that the meaning of the both sentence are same. Sentence, first sentence is affirmative, second is negative, but the meaning of both sentence are same. Clear? So that is these two rules we have to follow whenever we make a affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. Meaning of the sentence should be same. Now, what will you remember to make a negative sentence? Whenever sometimes in sentence some words like only, always, ever, for the last time, sometimes, doubtful, as soon as, then, everybody, everyone, anyone, whenever, or when. This type of words are used. Now we have to change these words to make a negative sentence, like only change into not but, nothing but, not but, always ever change into never, for the last times change into never again, sometimes change into not always, doubtful change into not sure, as soon as change into no sooner than, everybody change into nobody, everyone change into no one, anyone's change into no one, whenever or when change into never but. So whenever you make such a kind of change in the sentence, your sentence will be negative from affirmative. Okay? Now we will see some examples. Let's see some more example of affirmative to negative. First examples before you. He is wise. He is wise. Now in this sentence the main word is wise. So whenever you make the negative sentence of he is wise, you have to use the opposite word of wise. And also you use one negative word to make a negative sentence. For example, he is wise. He is not foolish. Now check the meaning. He is wise. He is wise. And he is not foolish. Both the meaning of both sentences are same. Clear? Understand? Okay. Next. Another sentence. This is impossible. This is impossible. So this is not, and opposite word of impossible is possible. This is not possible. It means this is impossible. Clear? Okay. Number 3. They are always right. They are always right. So whenever you have to make the negative sentence of such a kind, you will write negative words, always change into never. They are never. Now if you will write right, then meaning of the sentence will be changed, but we should keep the meaning same. And so to keep meaning same, we will write opposite word for the main word right in the sentence. They are always right. They are never wrong. The meaning of both sentences are same. Number 4. I shall always remember you. I shall always. I shall never. But opposite word. So for opposite words, we will write for remember. We will write forget. I shall never forget you. It means I shall always remember you. Same meanings. Okay. Then number 5. All the girls Very interesting sentence. All the girls are playing means all the girls, all the girls are playing. So there is no girl. All the girls means there is no girl who is not playing. All the girls are playing. There is no girl who is not playing. Meanings are same. All the girls are playing. मीन्स ऐसे एक भी गर्ल्स नहीं है जो खेल नहीं रही है. मीन्स सारी गर्ल्स खेल रही है. Very very interesting sentences. All the girls are playing. There is no girl who is not playing. So you have to remember that to make a negative sentence or affirmative sentence, affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative, you can write a sentence anyway. You can use another words which is not exactly in the sentence, in the given sentence. You can use any words, but you have to remember only that things. The meaning of sentence will be same. Okay, next. Another interesting sentence. Only Rohit came to see me. Only Rohit came to see me. सिर्फ मुझे रोहित ही देखने आया था. Only Rohit came to see me. None. None means कोई भी नहीं. None. But Rohit came to see me. कोई भी नहीं. Only Rohit came to see me. Clear? Okay. Next. Number 7. Only graduates need apply. Only graduates. None. But graduates. None but graduates need apply. It means only graduate needs apply. Next. As soon as we entered the house, we saw a snake. As soon as we entered the house, we saw a snake. No sooner did we enter the house. As soon as change into no sooner. No sooner did we enter the house, then we saw a snake. Sentence will be negative, but meaning will be same. As soon as we entered the house, we saw a snake. No sooner did we enter the house, then we saw a snake. Nine. Shubham is as good as Rohit. This is the type of degree sentence. Shubham is as good as Rohit. So Rohit is not better than Shubham. Here we will write a comparative form of good to make a negative sentence. Shubham is as good as Rohit. Rohit is not better than Shubham. It means Shubham is as good as Rohit. Another sentence. Mumbai is better than any other city in India. Mumbai is better than any other city in India. So no other city in India is as good as Mumbai. Meaning is same. Mumbai is better than any other city in India. Clear? Okay, next sentence. He is too weak to walk. He is too weak to walk. Sentence is affirmative. He is too weak to walk. Whenever you have to make such kind of sentence, then you will use so that. He is so weak. We will write so in place of to. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Meanings same. Sentence will be negative. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Keep quiet. Imperative sentence is there. Keep quiet. If if I tell you in affirmative sentence, keep quiet. But if that sentence I want to tell you in negative, then we will tell you don't make noise. Don't make noise. It means keep quiet. Okay. Let's next sentence. The prince was unhappy. The prince was unhappy. The prince was not happy. It means the prince was unhappy. Very easy sentence. So in some sentences you have to make only some change, and another sentence you have to make some difficult change, and you will make your negative sentence. Number 14. You are wrong. You are wrong. You are wrong means you are not right. Sentence meaning is same, but the sentence is negative. Isn't it very interesting? Next, it is very difficult. It is very difficult means it is not very easy. Then it is very difficult. So it is very difficult. Then we will make it is not easy. Yeah, it is not easy at all. You can write only it is not easy. Clear? Okay, next. Granny kept mum. Granny kept mum. Now, what is the meaning of mum? Granny did not say anything. It means granny kept mum. Granny kept mum means granny did not say anything. Next, number 17. Only 3 of us. Only 3 of us won prize. One prize is only 3 of us. So none but 3 of us. None but 3 of us won prizes. I am single. Oh, another interesting sentence. I am single. I am not married. I am not married means I am single. Only we will write one negative word is not, and then we will write one opposite word of the main sentence in the main word in the sentence. Means single is your main word. So we will write its opposite word. I am not married. Then he survived. He survived. He survived. So he did not die. He survived means he did not die. We will write negative word not, and we will use opposite word for survived. Last sentence from affirmative to negative. He kept silent. He kept silent means he did not speak. Yeah, he did not speak anything. You can write anyway, any sentence. Only you have to remember the meaning of both sentence will be unchanged, will be same. Now we will see how we can make a negative to affirmative. So whenever sometimes in negative sentence do not, does not, did not, such kind of sentence, such kind of words are used or helping words are used. If this kind of helping words are used in negative sentence, and if you have to make the sentence in affirmative, then you use some words like fail to, fails to, and fail to. Now we will see only three examples of negative to affirmative sentences. So first example here, I do not recall. I do not recall. It means I fail to recall. I fail to recall. The meaning will be same. Sentence will be affirmative. I fail to recall. It means I do not recall. Mohan is not a brilliant student. Mohan is not a brilliant student. So Mohan is. We will remove not. We will remove negative words. You have to remember these things whenever you change negative to affirmative. Whenever you have to make a negative to affirmative, you have to remember these things, that from the sentence, from the given sentence, first you will remove negative words. First you will remove negative words from the sentence, and if necessary then you will change the opposite word of the sentence, opposite word of the main word in the sentence if it requires. So here Mohan is not. So whenever we make a affirmative sentence, first we will remove the negative word not. Mohan is a. Now if we will only remove negative word, then the meaning of sentence will be changed. Mohan is a brilliant student, meaning is changed. So here it is required to change the brilliant word to make a opposite word of brilliant. So we will write Mohan is a dull student. It means Mohan is not a brilliant student. Last examples. It is of no use. It is of no use means it is useless. First we will remove no negative words, and then we will write opposite word of use means useless. It is of no use. It means it is useless. And such a kind we make a affirmative sentence from negative sentence. So students, I hope you have understood this lecture, this topic very well. If you have any doubt from any sentence, in any sentence, whenever you have to make affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative, if you have any confusion, any doubt, you can inform me. Thank you.